Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play CarX Street X game on your PC or Windows. That being said, with this one, I want you to install this specific application. It's gonna be called BlueStacks. So right now, I'm currently on my Microsoft Edge browser. If you're using Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or even Safari, please stay in the video because the process is literally the same across all devices. So let's get started. Just type in BlueStacks right there, and you'll see this option, or rather this website, and this should be the website you're seeing also on your end. So again, it's going to be bluestacks.com. Rule the game, get the latest version of BlueStacks, and this is it. You'll have two options, BlueStacks 10 or BlueStacks 5. Now the difference for those is going to be depending on your PC, how strong your PC build it is. If you only have a generic PC, just choose BlueStacks 5. Now for this one, download a specific version based on your need. Now if you have a 64-bit running, please choose this one. For Mac OS, so this is still on process or still coming soon. So make sure you stay focused or stay tuned on this one. And that being said, we can just head over on this application. So I already installed it. It should be looking like this. And now from this, it's just going to basically look like a tablet. Imagine having your tablet or mobile device on your PC. Of course, you can just simply click on the Play Store or App Center right there and just type CarX on the search bar over here. Wait for it to load up. It's taking quite a long time. Give it a second. And as you can see right there, type in CarX over here. Click on Enter. And you'll see there's options. So as you can see, there are two results. The difference here will be by your own perspective or preference. You can even choose the rally version or the highway racing. So to install this one, just like basically installing a game or application on your phone, choose one, and then simply install it. Click on this one and you're good to go. Now additional information for you, I want you to check on your settings. Make sure your CPU allocation is designated for 4 high cores, and this is only by your own preference if you want a smooth gaming experience. That being said, that's how you play CarX Street on your PC. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.